sparsestrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Gertie with a brief look at the markets for today, Monday, January 13th. We'll start with a quick look at the economic calendar, and there's not much on the docket today that will have a major impact on the markets. Investors are most likely going to be focusing on stocks because this is the first full week of the corporate earnings season, and this week we have a series of financial institutions giving their reports to the market. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 on Friday rose just slightly. This was after the non-farm payrolls came out with an unexpected result. Unemployment was down by 6.7% in the United States, and there was a significant miss over expectations of only 71,000 jobs were added during the last month. This led to some form of optimism that the Fed will not reduce its tapering at an accelerated rate, which had an effect during early trading in Asia today, where markets were up across the board. However, at the beginning of the session now, S&P 500 futures are trading down by 0.2%. Moving over to the euro, the non-farm payrolls results caused some form of weakening in the U.S. dollar, which was reflected in most currencies, and we can see that here in the euro. The euro is currently trading between support at 136.50 and resistance at 137. The pound also moved a little bit higher on Friday. It's trading above support at 162.60, and we still have resistance at 166. And the most dramatic result was here in Japanese yen, which moved to the downside. It's also important to point out that the Japanese markets are closed today due to a holiday. The dollar-yen pair is trading just above support at 103.30. We have next resistance at 103.80, and if we were to move to the downside, it could go as far down as 102.30. And finally, we have gold, which responded to dollar weakness by rising significantly. It's above 1,240, which has been a previous important level. However, it's still below resistance at 1,272. The overall bias for gold still is on the upside until the end of the month, when we have the Chinese Lunar New Year. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.